you suffer price risk when rates increase, but you suffer reinvestment risk when rates drop. So if only we could find a magical mathematical way to offset these two exactly, we would then be able to hedge ourselves and guarantee ourselves a certain level of return, no matter the direction of interest rates. Enter Macaulay duration, my friends. Macaulay duration developed by Frederick Macaulay, a Canadian economist who invented it, discovered it in 1938, and that's why we've named it Macaulay duration. So it is calculated as the weighted average time to receiving the cash flows of the bond.